Hi traders, welcome to the F Trader. I'm going to do another market brief for you today. But if you like this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So as discussed in yesterday's video, gold has been in a downward trend. There was technical damage done when it had a sell-off here, and we've literally just gone from this sideways pattern. It's gone down, it got brought back into the sideways pattern, and then the selling now has continued. It broke this region, which was was acting as a good support line, and it broke through that, and then it started to test another support line right at this point, which if I go to a daily chart, you'll be able to see. So it literally just went below this, tested this, but it was bought back into. So I guess what's quite important is to see if it will manage to keep above this support line at this point in the next couple of trading sessions, or are we going to get another breakdown? And if we do get another breakdown, I can definitely see gold going and giving the 1700 a test for its money. But at the moment, we do not have a position. If we get a little bit more buying and then we start seeing the market breaking down again, we will take a short position. But as we stand, we are in a wait and see mode right now with gold. If I just touch upon the cable, which is the pound dollar, it touched that 10-day moving average, the EMA, sorry, I should say, the 10-day exponential moving average. And, we've got buyers come in. We've now tested the 140 and broken through that. I did mention that we are going to do that. I am still bullish on the pound dollar, and I do feel that we will be hitting the 145 region, even 150. But we do have a position. I will be tightening our stop to probably about the 130, probably below here, maybe a little bit more. Maybe I'll leave it for a little bit more. I'll probably move it to break even, and at some point we may take about a 50% profit off the table and then keep chasing the price with our stop loss. But not much more to add there. We may even add to our position if it comes back down and touches this 10-day EMA, but I'll keep you guys informed. With the Euro USD, the dollar index, which I'll talk to you guys about in a sec as well, has had a down day today, hence why the Euro USD has just broken up above the 40 EMA. Again, I can't quite make out this price movement because it looks more like a sideways. It's flirting with this 40. If we get a decent enough break above the 40 or a decent enough break below the 40, we'll take a position in that direction. But as mentioned in the previous video, we are staying out at the moment in the euro dollar as well. Just quickly on the USD, as you can see, we had that inverse shoulder, head and shoulder. We had the breakout of the neckline, and I was hoping that it will continue. It broke back down, and at the moment, I feel we're going into a little bit of a sideways pattern because we've got 2 days of good volume moving up, 2 days of good volume moving down. There's a lot of data coming out with the Fed, and yesterday we had the unemployment results. So I mean, this is all contributory to the USD. We need more of an indication of which way it's moving, and that would obviously help us in the indication that we take with the gold position as well. On Bitcoin is just on fire. So if I go to a daily chart, you can see in the last 4 or 5 sessions, it's just been going higher and higher and doing new highs every day. Like I said to you previously, I don't feel comfortable taking a position. I was actually speaking to someone which is a bit of an expert in cryptos, and he had a view that Bitcoin will be hitting 1 million pounds or dollars, I should say, $1 million per Bitcoin. And his view was actually quite interesting. That you can print money, you can mine more gold, you can keep adding more bonds and all of that. But with Bitcoin, you are only going to have 21 million Bitcoins, and if even all the millionaires in the world wanted to have 1 Bitcoin, there's not enough. So that was a very interesting analogy of him, and I like it. I'm warming up to Bitcoin, but in terms of charts, I can't take a position at the moment because I can't see where I would leave my support or resistance. I mean, if I wanted to buy some Bitcoin and just leave it there fine. I can see the logic in that. But in order to trade it, right now I don't see a position to either get in or sell it. So that's it for today. I will have another brief for you guys on Monday. Enjoy your weekends and happy trading.